Welcome. In front of me is a BLAUPUNKT SM01, and today I'll show you how to enter the factory mode. So to get started, we want to shut off the device, so hold the power key and then select power off and wait for the device to actually shut off. And once it has, we'll then hold power key and volume down. So now that it's off, which was indicated by the vibration, power key and volume down, hold both of the keys simultaneously. Keep holding. As you can see now, factory mode appears, so you can let go. Give it a couple more seconds and it will load, as you can see. So from here you can use volume, I think it's down key to navigate. Up doesn't do anything. So if you want to go back, you would have to just scroll to the entire list like so. And you can then confirm whatever you select with the power key. And so you can also see here, you can run test, either automatic or manual. Manual basically will allow you to choose what you want to test, a specific item. Then item test, debug info, clear EMC is basically a hard reset of the device, and version and reboot. I'm just gonna simply select reboot for this example and confirm it with the power key. And the device immediately reboots back into the normal Android. And as you can see, we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access the factory mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.